Are you looking to integrate EverWebinar with ClickFunnels? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up quickly so you can start using these two powerful tools together to automate your webinar process and drive sales. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a fully integrated system that can help boost your business. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can actually use both EverWebinar and ClickFunnels completely free. Just check out the first link below to grab an exclusive bonus that gives you extended access. All right, let's get into it. First things first. If you're new to EverWebinar and ClickFunnels, EverWebinar is a webinar automation platform, and ClickFunnels is a sales funnel builder. Integrating them lets you run automated webinars that drive traffic directly to your funnels and boost conversions. Next thing you'll need to do is connect EverWebinar with ClickFunnels. Head into your ClickFunnels account and grab your API key. This API key will link your ClickFunnels account to EverWebinar. Once you have your API key, log into your EverWebinar account. Once you're in EverWebinar, navigate to your settings and look for the Integrations section. Here, you'll see an option to add ClickFunnels as an integration. Paste your API key into the box provided and hit save. That's the first step in linking these two platforms together. The fourth thing is setting up your webinar funnel. Now that EverWebinar and ClickFunnels are connected, you'll want to create a funnel in ClickFunnels to host your webinar registration and thank you pages. Simply build a funnel like you normally would, but with a webinar twist. You'll use EverWebinar's registration page URL to connect your funnel with the webinar. The fifth thing is testing your integration. Once you've set everything up, it's time to make sure everything's working. Test your funnel to ensure that when someone signs up for your webinar, they're redirected to your EverWebinar registration page. It's important to do this to make sure the entire flow works seamlessly. Finally, let's talk about using the integration for automated follow-ups. With this setup, you can now automate your email follow-ups using ClickFunnels. After someone registers for your webinar, ClickFunnels will automatically send them reminders, the replay, and other follow-up emails that are customized based on your campaign. It's a great way to keep your audience engaged and ensure you maximize your conversions. So that's it, how to integrate EverWebinar with ClickFunnels. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it, and by doing this, you'll have a powerful automated system that saves you time while growing your business. Remember, you can get a completely free trial with our exclusive bonus by clicking the first link in the description below. Don't miss out on this special offer. It's the perfect time to take your webinar and funnel game to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.